Happy holidays, happy holidays. Today I'll be baking a cake my way. Okay? I'm gonna be baking a fruitcake. Jamaican fruitcake. I'm gonna add the butter to the sugar. So I'm baking a fruit cake. I'm baking this cake my way. So I decided to share with you how I'm baking my cake. So I've added 450 grams of sugar and 450 grams of butter. So let's go. So I'm gonna see how it turns out. Have it all over the place. So I'll add in the sugar and the butter to get it to a creamy texture. I don't know where my next mixer is, so I'm using this one. So we will see how it goes. It's a Jamaican fruit cake, black cake, or rum cake, whatever it is you have to call it. So I'm mixing the sugar and the butter. Hi guys, so how is your holidays going? Well, we're in lockdown here in the UK. You can't have anyone over. And that's not an issue for me, because I'm not really got people that like that. But anyway, I'm creaming the sugar and the butter. I don't even know the amount I'm gonna get from this recipe, but I've added my sugar and my butter, and I'm creaming it out. It's coming on. So I'm making my Christmas cake. I make my Christmas cake my way how I want it. So I don't want nobody to come tell me that it's not so. I don't want nobody to come and tell me that no, I'm not excited to do, I'm not excited to do. This is the way I make mine, and I'll go down in my belly. I don't know where the next mixer is. So I'm making my Jamaican fruit cake. So I've done added the butter and the sugar, and I'm gonna be adding eggs one at a time. gonna be like. We'll see it when it's finished. We'll see if we get it right. Or if I need a bit more practice. Anyway, practice becomes perfect. So that's what I'm doing. So I'm making Jamaican fruitcake. So I'm not doing much talking in this video, I'm just showing you guys what I am doing. So I have all my spices here, so I'm gonna add it. Some people sieve it together, but that's not what I'm doing. Mix the flour. Then I'm gonna put it aside again. Then I'm gonna take this one, my mixture, and I'm gonna add a bit at a time. At a time. I hope I don't salt anything, although I did put all the ingredients out. So I hope I don't miss any. I don't think I miss out now. I don't think I miss out anything. So I'm gonna mix with this flour in. Adding the flour to the butter. So I'm making Jamaican fruitcake. Add some more flour. How's it going in your household? This is what my Christmas Eve is looking like. I'm baking rum cake, and I'm also going to make a lemon cake. Scrape the edges. You know, so I never prepared well because I never take out the rice spoon. Look what I have to be using. Like, really? You know how long I've been here preparing? Do you ever come to the ghetto? Santa Claus, the way we suffer. I'm gonna continue mixing. So I'm making Jamaican fruitcake my way. You see, my way I bake it. So this is my third. This is my third attempt at baking a fruitcake. So I'm getting better. I must admit, I'm getting better. The first couple of times, you know, down the corner. I'm baking Jamaican fruitcake my way. So I have pre-soaked fruits. Okay, so I'm doing a Jamaican fruitcake. Might as well we stay home and be because we're in lockdown. We can't have any visitors and not like that. So we decide to say, I'm gonna bake this. So I'm gonna put all the I'm gonna upload this on my YouTube channel, and I'm gonna put all the ingredients in the description. So go over my YouTube channel and check it out and tell me what you think. I just started the channel anyway. I have one that I do for food, just like everyday little food, simple food. Cause I'm not a big chef, you know. Yeah, but I'm not gonna go hungry. Alright, what I'm gonna add next is I'm gonna add some lemon, grated lemon rind, about 1 teaspoon. And I'm also gonna add some one lime juice to it, and some citrus. Take away the rawness of the egg. The rind from one whole lime. This is how I bake my Jamaican fruitcake. To this I'm gonna add here's my fruits. Now how long I have on a soak? So I'm gonna need four cups. It's strong alcohol. While I'm doing all this, the oven is being preheated. It's heated. So I need four cups of mixed fruits. Santa, each up in a mango tree. Good. So one. Santa said. Oh, that's so nice. How much fruit in there already? Is that going on? 2. So I'm gonna add 4 cups. I mix it up. I can mix the fruit and I'll stop the other one here and hold on. Mix mine about probably about 1 month. How much I put in there already? How much I put in there? This is the 3rd one. I have 1 more. I wonder if I saw it go. Not to remember because I chat and not pay attention to when I do. Four cups. Cover back this down. So let me mix it some more. And tie it up in a mango tree. So this video, I'm gonna put this on my YouTube channel as well, and all the information will be over there, guys. I just started a YouTube channel, just some simple Jamaican food, not just Jamaican food either. Rapapam-pam, a newborn king to see for rapapam-pam. Your baby, rapapam-pam. Your baby for the king for rapapam-pam, rapapam-pam. Guys, I'm telling you, this. Oh my God, it smells nice. I don't know how much cake I'll get out of this because normally I don't follow the recipe to the T. So then I'm gonna never know how much next time. Yeah. Alright, so now I am gonna add some. I'm gonna add 4 to 5 tablespoons of brownie. I want them to have so much. Night, oh, the night. Oh, I'm not using a special type of brownie. And the brownie in their shop. Young virgin. How much let me say? 4 to 5 tablespoons. 1. 2. 3. 4. And one more for good measures. Okay, so I'm gonna mix the browning in to give it a color. It's up to you how dark you wanna be or how light, but obviously since I add the extra one, I'm gonna just take it in and we come. Oh, what fun it is to ride on a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bell. Oh, you make it nice. So guys, I'm making my take on the Jamaican rum cake. So this is I'm going mixing the browning. Let me scrape down the side. Oh, come be to bed. Oh. Guys, I am not a baker. I just start learning to bake for the year. I even just start learning to cook. I couldn't even cook before. So I'm relatively new to the thing. But I feel like I'm alright with the cooking thing. Alright, this is the whole for mixing now. To distribute the browning properly. So I'm doing the Jamaican fruitcake. I'll pin the recipe. Yeah. So you guys can make one as well. It's relatively easy to make. You know hard. Today I baked a bread. Today, can you imagine that today I bake bread, people? I bake a bread today. Yeah, but it come out too heavy. But it's alright, you know. But look, I never use the bread. I never use the bread flour. I never use the I never use the self-raised flour. I just use regular plain flour. So the bread kind of come out heavy. But I'm going to bake another one. So I kind of realized where my mistake was. So I'm going to bake another bread. But after I perfect my bread style, Sainsbury's nor Tesco now see me again. Okay, I'm gonna add some vanilla essence. I never know what to add. What this look like? Maybe I shouldn't add so much though. Maybe not too much. Ooh. Right, my tattoo I showed already. I'm not gonna have fireworks that happen. It's Christmas time in the city. And I also add some vanilla flavoring. I don't know how much of this is going to do, but there's that some in there. Some weed. So, you just have to put this amount in there. You feel like that? Alright. I think so. And I'm adding some almond sitting on it. Oh god. Can't put it sitting. Nose reindeer. Have a very shiny nose, and if you ever saw him, he can even say, oh, I'm not going to show pour that in there too. I'm going to cover it back. I'm going to mix this now. Matter of fact, I don't even know nothing about overbeating or overmixing or anything like that. I don't feel like it don't mix. I don't know. So I'm gonna grease my baking tins. So I use one of this size. So I will see how much I end up with. Alright, I'm back. So I'm just sorting the baking tins out. It's kind of late, isn't it? It's kind of late, that one there still. But it is what it is. So, I'm going to cut the parchment paper in a circular to put at the bottom. So I'm just sorting out the parchment paper. baking. That's how I write your mind. See how you do. Alright, so put in the paper and everything. So now I'm gonna pour in the butter, you know. I'm gonna pour it in the baking tray, the baking thing. Alright, I'm gonna put some more. I'll see if it drop off. So I'm gonna pour now. Alright, I have maybe you can work out well in there now. I never know how much you put up in over. I think that's alright still now. So I'm baking my Jamaican fruit cake. And I'm gonna also bake a lemon cake. So these are gonna go in the oven for about 1 hour and 10 minutes after they're done. And 190 degrees Celsius, I think. 190 degrees Celsius, I think that's at 370 Fahrenheit, something like that. But I'm still gonna Google it and make sure. So I'm gonna put 1 bell. For my lemon cake that I'll be doing. That's the mode. So I'm baking Jamaican fruit cake. Yeah. Jamaican fruit cake, I think. In the room and living in nature sings. Alright, I'm done with that for you. Okay, so I'm gonna put another piece of the parchment paper in the bottom of this. The baking tin, and these are gonna go in the oven for you should have to hear this before now, but you know like you know expert on this live. You get it? So try to prepare before so guys, I'm baking a Jamaican food here. Here. So I'm gonna pour the rest of the batter. That smells so nice. So I'm gonna let this bake for about 1 hour, maybe about 1 10 minutes, or 1 20 minutes, or until it's finished, isn't it? So I'm gonna be putting this video on my YouTube channel where I just regular Jamaican recipe. Don't know hard or anything like that. So that's it. So I'm gonna put it in the oven and I will tell you how it come out. Yeah, like it come out. Alright, so I will let you know. Okay? Alright guys, I'm gonna do a lemon cake as well. So when I start that, I will come back on another time. So I will see you when the cake done. Alright? Later guys, thanks for tuning in and watch me and make a preparation for me Christmas cake. Is it? Alright then, later. Finish this. No.